Hi, it's Mia Redrick, the Mom Strategist, sharing this week in a new video series, The Truth About Motherhood. This week we're going to talk about work-life balance because there's been so much conversation about what is work-life balance, and I think the definition of what work-life balance is has, quite frankly, evolved over time. You know, one of the things that I will tell you in my work in mentoring moms to practice better self-care, and also in hosting tons of national time for mommy groups around the country, I've discovered that moms aren't interested really in balancing their work and their life. Moms are most interested, quite frankly, in having more fulfilled and joy in their lives. So let me explain. I found tons of moms who in their work, they love what they do. They're working 60, 70 hours of work, 60 to 70 hours a week working, and they love what they do. Their work is their art. And they also equally love being a mom. They enjoy it. They love being a mom. The challenges at times that we all experience is if your core value, if your values in some way are impacted because of the choices that you have to make in your life. Let me explain. Let's say, for example, you wanted to have dinner with your family at a minimum 3 times a week. And because of your work schedule, you find that consistently your work schedule doesn't allow you to be able to live up that highest value that you have, which is quality time with your family. That's when we find that our life isn't in alignment, or you might say you're not having work-life balance. Well, the culprit of that is because you can't have dinner with your family. You feel less fulfilled. You feel less joy. So I believe that what moms are really looking for is fulfillment in all the things. And so one of the things I want to challenge you to think about this week is to kind of look at work-life balance in a different way. I want you to ask yourself, are the choices you're making in your work or in your life fulfilling for you? Are they bringing you happiness? And if they're not, then that's telling you the area of your life that you need to plan and go back and rework so that you can write down what your highest values are with your family. Your value might be, it could be quality time. It could be rest. It could be to be able to read stories to your children. If those are the core things that you want to do in terms of being the kind of mom that you want to be, then you need to ask yourself, how can you rework your life and rework your personal plan in your life so that you can have more fulfilling days. So sometimes it's not about balancing it all as much as it is making sure that the things that make our lives rich show up each and every day, or at least frequently enough that we feel good about the life that we're in. I hope that there's something I said that resonated with you, and I want to invite you to check out the Moms Academy, www.momsacademy.com, and there you'll be connected to other moms just like you who are practicing better self-care every single day. I'll talk to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.